Hi, friends. Today I want to talk with you about Pope Francis. He is a special person who has taught many good things to the world. Do you know Pope Francis? He became the leader of the Catholic Church in 2013. Before that, he was Jorge Mario Bergoglio from Argentina. His father worked on the railways, and his family was not rich. When Francis became Pope, people noticed something different about him. He didn't want to live in a big, fancy house. He chose a simple room instead. He takes buses sometimes, just like regular people. "I want a poor church for the poor," he once said. This means he wants the church to help people who don't have much money or food. Francis talks in a way that is easy to understand. He says things like, "We should build bridges, not walls." This means we should make friends with people who are different from us, not stay apart from them. He cares a lot about our planet Earth. He wrote a special letter called Laudato Si that says we must take care of nature. He tells us that when we hurt the environment, we also hurt poor people the most. Francis also talks about mercy. Mercy means being kind to people even when they make mistakes. God never gets tired of forgiving us, he says. Sometimes we get tired of asking for forgiveness. I like what he says about the church. He says it should be like a field hospital after battle. This means the church should help heal people who are hurting, not just tell them what they're doing wrong. You might have seen pictures of Francis washing people's feet. Sometimes these people are prisoners or refugees. He does this to show that everyone deserves respect and love. Francis has a nice way of talking about faith. He doesn't use big, complicated words. He says things like, "Faith is not a light which scatters all our darkness, but a lamp which guides our steps in the night." What I like most about Francis is how he lives what he teaches. He doesn't just talk about helping the poor, he invites homeless people to meals. He doesn't just talk about kindness, he hugs people who are sick or disabled. Even people who are not Catholic like Francis, because he speaks about things everyone cares about: peace, taking care of our planet, and being kind to each other. What do you think about Pope Francis? Has anything he said or done made you think differently about how we should treat each other? Xi's simple message is that we should be kind, help others, and take care of our world.